And Assalamu alaikum class 3. Hope you will be fine and safe at your homes. Dear students, before starting lecture, I want to share a quotation of the day with you. Winning does not always mean being first. Winning means you are doing better than you have done before. So dear students, keep it up and doing better in your life. So let's start our today's lecture. Open your junior English book and the page number is 13. Dear students, today's our topic is gender. A boy is a male, a girl is a female. The grouping of words according to sex is called gender. Nouns which name males belong to the masculine gender. Nouns which name females belong to the feminine gender. So dear students, let's see what is gender. Gender is a term used to differentiate between male and female nouns. For example, men, boys and male animals are of the masculine gender. And the examples are brother, uncle, grandfather and father. Dear students, women, girls and female animals are of the feminine gender. And the examples are sister, aunt, grandmother and mother. Dear students, now let's say examples. Female of fox will be vixen. Kangaroo is male and female is goose. Next example is drake and the female will be duck. Let's start our exercise, which is write the feminine gender of. First is hero. Now we have to write feminine gender of hero. Dear students, here we have list of masculine and feminine on the left side of our page, and now we have to find out female of hero. Now we can see here female of hero will be heroine. So answer will be heroine. Number 2 is dog. Now we have to find out female of dog, which will be bitch. What will be the answer? Dog, bitch. Now number 3 is fox. Now we will find female of fox and it will be vixen. So dear students, female of fox will be vixen. Now number 4 is monk. Dear students, monk means male member of a religious order is called monk. Now we will find what will be the female of monk and it will be nun. So, female of monk will be nun. Now, number 5th word is prince. Now, let's see what will be the female of prince. It will be princess. So, prince, answer will be princess. Now, next, number 6th is L. Do you know what is the meaning of L? L means a British man of high social rank. Now, let's see female of L. It will be countess. L, countess. Now number 7th is uncle. Now let's find out female of uncle and it will be aunt. So what will be the answer? Uncle, aunt. Now number 7 is son. Now we will find out what will be the female of son and if we can see here it will be daughter. Son, daughter. Now number 9 is headmaster. Let's find out the answer. Female of headmaster will be headmistress. So answer will be headmistress. Headmaster, headmistress. Number 10th is host. Let's see female of host. It will be hostess. Host, hostess. Now number 11th word is, next word is stallion. Dear students, now let's find out what will be the female of stallion. We can see here stallion, male. Dear students, stallion is a male horse. So female of stallion will be mare. Now number 12th is emperor. Now let's find out what will be the female of emperor. Emperor, it will be empress. Emperor is a man who rules an empire or is the head of state. Is an empire is called emperor. So answer will be empress.